I've learned early on that Powermatic machines enable me to produce anything I can imagine while guaranteeing the high level of quality and craftsmanship my work requires. Hi, I'm J. Michael Floyd from Cookeville, Tennessee. Woodworking has been part of my family my whole life. My father, who was a woodworking professor at Tennessee Tech University, sparked my earliest interest in woodworking. By being in his shop, I literally grew up with Powermatic machines. I developed an early appreciation for vernacular 19th century furniture made in Tennessee and Kentucky. This early infatuation has deeply influenced my furniture design. I have spent my career striving for the highest level of craftsmanship in the production of my own contemporary work. My shop is exclusively Powermatic. That is why I'm excited about adding this new Powermatic PM2244 drum sander to my shop. Powermatic's PM2244 drum sander will exceed your expectations over and over again. It offers a level of sophistication that delivers a world-class experience you can only receive from Powermatic. The PM2244 is a solidly built machine that will deliver superior results for years to come. The drum carriage is cast iron, providing strength and consistent performance. It has a steel hood with a 4-inch dust port to collect dust directly at its source. Its large chrome hand wheel will make adjusting the drum height smooth and effortless. The sander features a closed stand providing storage for keeping extra abrasives organized. The stand also has integrated casters that make it easy to move around your shop. To keep the PM2244 in place, simply lock the casters and begin working. The feature I like most about this sander is the integrated LED control panel. This intuitive control panel provides a snapshot of the status of the machine to simplify the operator's job. The conveyor belt's RPM is clearly displayed, and there is an indicator that shows when the conveyor is moving. There is another indicator that shows the operator when the sanding drum is rotating. The digital readout can be conveniently set to display in either inches or millimeters. Correspondingly, the conveyor RPM will be shown in feet or meters. The operator has the ability to zero the readout at any point, allowing them to quickly and accurately measure the sanding depth. In addition to the innovative digital readout, the PM2244 keeps the traditional absolute depth scale, allowing for additional height reading. Another feature which exceeds my expectations is the PM2244's feed logic. This system helps the operator produce an exceptional finish by preventing the machine from overloading. The feed logic continuously monitors the load on the drum motor and automatically adjusts the speed of the conveyor motor to the highest possible speed, avoiding any overload. When the feed logic feature is active, the words will flash on the display panel and the conveyor belt will self-adjust. The conveyor system on this sander is designed to be sturdy and consistent. The precision flattened, reinforced steel conveyor bed has a no-give power feed belt to provide an absolute flat sanding surface. The PM2244 table can be adjusted to the drum carriage instead of having to adjust the entire drum carriage. This feature, called Parallelism Fine Adjust, is great when sanding a piece wider than 22 inches. Because it prevents a crown from developing after rotating the piece. In addition to all the major features of the PM2244, I want to show you how Powermatic never cuts corners with their machines. You can see how easy it is to access the spring-loaded clips holding the abrasive strips. This allows for an easy change of the sandpaper without using a secondary tool. The in-feed and out-feed table provides 37.5 inches of support when running a longer piece. I know with the support of the in-feed and out-feed table, I do not have to worry about my larger pieces sanding unevenly. The PM2244's emergency stop makes for a quick shut-off of both the conveyor and the drum. The indicators on the LED panel will blink until both conveyor and drum are stopped. I have spent the last 20 years attempting to perfect my craft. The PM2244's world-class sophistication has exceeded what I believe possible from a drum sander.
For the last 90 years, Powermatic has been setting the gold standard in woodworking machinery. Committed to quality since 1921, Powermatic has been providing generations of woodworkers with the tools and the confidence to create and inspire.